Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Schedule C on TurboTax. First, ensure you're self-employed or a sole proprietor. Collect all your income statements and expense receipts. Open TurboTax and navigate to the Business Income and Expenses section. This is where you'll begin entering your information for your business. Now, let's input your business income. Start by entering your total gross receipts from sales or services. If you received a Form 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation or a Form 1099 MISC, enter those details. Don't forget to include any other income sources not listed on a specific form. TurboTax will guide you through each step. Next, it's time to enter your deductible business expenses. TurboTax provides categories for common costs like advertising, supplies, and utilities. For vehicle expenses, you can choose between actual expenses or the standard mileage rate. If you use a home office exclusively for business, you can also deduct those related costs. Finally, thoroughly review your entire Schedule C. Double-check all income and expense entries to catch any potential errors or overlooked deductions. TurboTax will calculate your net profit or loss, which directly impacts your overall tax liability. A careful review ensures accuracy and helps maximize your tax savings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.